Hi guys, this is Neha. Welcome to my channel, and in this video I'll be showing you my new purchase from Nykaa, and that is its hand and nail cream. And it's their new launch, so I thought it'll be good if I'll show you guys how it looks and what is the consistency and fragrance and everything. It's a very short video, so let's get started. So this is my Nykaa hand cream, and this is rose and white musk. So it's a tiny bottle. It's very handy and travel friendly. So this hand and nail cream, it comes in various other fragrances, but I really wanted to try the rose and white musk. So yep, I have tried it few times, and I really like the moisture that it provides to your hand. The consistency of the cream looks like this. And it's not that oily. Fragrance is really refreshing. It's really nice. I like the fragrance, and once I'm done with this tube, then I'll definitely go for other fragrances as well. So I'm really into this fragrance. I really like it, and it keeps your hands hydrated for quite a long time, like for 4 to 5 hours. But yes, if you wash your hands, then you do need to apply it again. And yeah, I'm really happy and satisfied with this hand and nail cream. So yeah, that is my review for now. Bye bye, see you in my another video, and please, if you like my video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel.